about estimating and using compatible numbers when dividing. So we're going to look at this problem, 6,078 divided by 88. Our first step is to round our divisor. 88, we ask ourselves if it's closer to 80 or 90. In this case, 88 is closer to 90. So we will round it to 90. We don't go over to our dividend and round our dividend. Before we look at our dividend, we list our multiples of 90. So you can count by nines. Okay, now that we have all of our multiples of 90 listed, now we can look at our dividend. So we've passed 6 and we've passed 60, so we need to look at 607. So we're looking at these multiples to see which one is closest to 607. Here it would be 630. So compatible numbers doesn't really follow rounding rules. It's just finding what number is closest to make it easier. So we have 630, so we're going to use 90 as our divisor, and we'll write the 630, but we didn't start out with hundreds, we started out with thousands. So we have this 8, we need to add a placeholder. So now we're saying that 6,078 is closest to 6,300. Even though we are not using rounding rules, we're using compatible numbers to divide. All right, so we look at this. Our answer basically is already there for us. If we have 6, we cannot take away 90. If we have 63, we cannot take away 90. If we have 630, we can take away 90 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. There's a 0. We need to put a 0 up top to cover that 0. So if you have a 4-digit dividend, you need to have a 4-digit quotient. All right, so this sums it up. I'll do another example next.